This is a brand that is made in the USA by Allied Air Enterprises, which is a part of Lennox International. All of the units feature their MHT technology, which includes rifled tubing to enhance refrigerant flow and lanced fins for more surface contact between the coil and the air, which maximizes the heat transfer to maintain a compact unit at higher efficiencies. They use louvered panel construction, which provides superior protection of the condenser coil from hail and other mechanical damage. The units are only sold through authorized dealers in the USA and only have an average guarantee. They are field convertible between horizontal and down flow, offer an optional electric heat kit in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts, and have an insulated antimicrobial drain pan to inhibit mold growth. They use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as good for the planet as brands with R-32 refrigerant. The units use quiet shift technology, where the compressor is turned off prior to entering or exiting the defrost mode, which lowers the pressures and makes for quieter operation, as well as minimizing the wear and tear on the reversing valve. The PRPHP-14 models are basic heat pumps with a 6.7 HSPF2 efficiency and a 78 decibel sound rating, which is roughly equivalent to an alarm clock. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.